Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really nice 3-slot payphone that's a 233, and Mike sent this telephone in from Maryland. And he also has a telephone booth that goes with it. And if you notice, he sent the bell box in, but he did not send the cover, and he also did not send the vault door. But basically, this has been converted for home use. And I also wanted to show you a tag here. This tag is basically says it has a number on it. It's just a key serial number. And then it has the number on it. So that's pretty cool, and that was tucked up into the telephone here. So that's a part of some of the telephones past, and so that's a pretty cool little thing to see in these. We're going to go ahead and leave a lot of the parts in here. Normally we would remove this because we would put a bell in here, but since Mike has a phone booth that this came out of, and he has a bell box, we can go ahead and leave all the original parts in it. And basically over here he also has a stand that is a card that has the information on it, and there's nothing down here, and usually there's a card here, but he has the one that goes on top that came along with everything in the phone booth. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do some initial checks on this telephone. It's finished up, and we're going to kind of run through what we did here. But I'm going to go ahead and ring it. I'm going to let that go one more time, and then I'm going to go ahead and answer it. And you'll have dial tone here. And so we're going to go ahead and dial some numbers. We'll just go through them all. I'm going to end up with a 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and take and put the line into the regular telephone line, and I'm going to dial, like I say, a time and temp number.
Good evening. Our body shop can repair almost any make and model for less. Offenburg Belleville, 234-0330. Today is Thursday, June 10th. The time is 7:18. Current temperature 95 degrees.
And so everything on this telephone is working. We had to go through all the connections. We also installed a modular port, and that modular port comes out the back side, and you can plug a line cord in it. And then the other end of that line cord goes to this beige line port here, and that connects the telephone to the bell box. And then below that we have another gray modular port right here that is the actual line cord that you would just plug in. So we have a connection between the phone and the bell box with a modular line cord, and then we have another port that connects to the actual line that feeds the bell box, and then it goes through the port and the line cord and up into the telephone and feeds the telephone so that you're able to use the telephone. So this telephone is pretty much finished up. I'm going to go ahead and switch it back over into the analyzer. We're going to ring it one more time. Have dial tone. I'm going to go ahead and dial a 2, and then if you watch the analyzer, you'll see the red light. That indicates 100% modulation. Hello, hello. So this telephone is finished up, and these connections that you see here are nothing more than these little connectors that will go ahead and connect this telephone to the base. So it connects the body to the base, and these clips will come off as soon as we take the top and the body and put it on, and the clips will not be here. They're just here to show you the telephone apart. And we're going to go ahead and drop some quarters in. The quarters is going to gong. And the nickels will hit once, the bell. And then a dime will hit twice. So here's another dime, nickel, quarter, dime, nickel, nickel, dime. So that's pretty cool. And anyway, this is a very nice 233 and 3-slot payphone. And Mike has the phone booth that goes along with this, so that's quite a find. He's going to have get a lot of enjoyment out of this telephone once it's installed back in the phone booth and it's working. And I believe he said that phone booth even has a light and a fan in it, like most of them did. But supposedly everything works on the phone booth, and now his telephone will work also. And so that's going to be a pretty cool situation. And that's a really neat item to have, a phone booth with a 3-slot payphone in it. He's gonna have a good time with that. So, and it's a pretty neat part of history. So it's quite a neat deal. Anyway, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.